What's up, YouTube? So we had this Toyota 4Runner towed in today, and he said he changed the battery and it was dead, but what happened was the ball joint, the upper ball joint broke, so they just towed it in like that. So I told them to tape it together and put a big zip tie around it just so we can get it in the shop. What you think? So since it's a follower, not a load, it should be fine. Cool. Nice and slow, Judester. What's up with his hood? Is this the release that doesn't work? Yep. That doesn't work either. It's missing the rod that pulls that. So jump start it. Oh, well, try that, see if it cable's not tight. Nothing?
I wonder why it broke.
Ask Rachel. Use that battery pack on that Toyota if it doesn't start, and check the alternator.